Okay, let's talk about the expenditure journal. The expenditure journal is where you record all the expenses that you make for the business. Okay, so we like usual we have the date. We have the date where you're carrying the expenditure. Now the expenditure journal has both an in and out column. This is the British accounting system. With the other accounting system, you're going to see in debit and credit. Now money comes into the expenditure journal. Where does money come from? To the expenditure journal. Money comes from you, the business owner. Okay, money comes from you, the business owner. So if you give me in from Mr. Jude, you give in 500,000 into the business. That's you allocate 500,000 to spend in the business. Okay, along the line you have remember money don't come from your clients. Money don't come from your clients into the expenditure journal. Money only comes from you. Any money coming into the expenditure journal only comes from you. Okay, you allocate 50,000, 500,000 to spend for the business, so your balance is 50 is 500,000. Now, by the time you start spending, yeah, let's assume that you buy a material. What when you're spending, you record it under the out column. When you record it under the out column, let's say you spend 100,000, 100,000, it gives you a balance of 400,000. You spend 60,000. Any expenditures go in under the out column, and revenue that is coming, whatever amount of money is coming into the expenditure journal, right? It comes under the in column. So you have two main columns here. You have the amount in and the amount out. Yeah. So with this, at the end of the month, when you update this, when you update these transactions, or at the end of the month, you'll be able to see that this is the amount of money I allocated for the business this month. This is the amount that I actually used for the business this month. And then now you equally check with your income journal. This is the amount of money I received. You go back to your income journal and check. This is the amount of money I received for from the business this month. And if I receive 500,000 and I'm spending 600,000, it means I'm spending more than what I received. Will the money come back? Will I recover the money? Okay, you go back now, equally check your income journal. You receive 700,000, you spend 400,000. Wow, that is good. You've made some profit. Are you owing some people? You check if you're owing some people, you are not owing some people. You reconcile all of that. You just use your jotter, just check using your jotter right now. Your system is showing you that you made a profit of 200,000 or a profit of 300,000. Just check if you're owing somebody, then you'll be able to know your actual financial status at that moment. Okay, this is also developed monthly. When you begin the brought forward is not much of a problem. Now, something I have to explain is the fact that there is this amount of money when you're spending at the end of the month. Let's say you allocated 500,000. Please always make sure it is business. I will still say that you should try to be disciplined. Yeah, if you allocate 500,000 for the business, then allocate the money in your head. Remove the 500,000 and then you keep it in a private coffers, in a separate coffers for the business. Okay, whatever spending you have to do, you spend from there. If in case you spend money from somewhere else, make sure that you get from that coffers and replace it. Okay, so if you allocate 500,000 for the business and you spend all of this, spend 160,000 at the end of the month, you get back to that your coffers, you should be able to see 340,000. And it is the 340,000 that we are going to carry forward and continue spending with in the month of February. Okay.